What's up all my cool cats? Thanks for tuning in to the KitsuneSiberianForestCat's YouTube channel. This right here is Kitsune, this is Maneki, and I'm Jamie. And today we've got another fan mail video for you. This is from our friend Sara, who has her own YouTube channel, Sara and Adventure Pets. And recently she made a really cool fan video for Kitsune and Maneki. It's an adventure of her and her cat Nico in Florida. So we'll put a link to that in the description below in the video, but definitely go check it out. She did such a good job, and thank you so much, Sara, for that video. We thought it was awesome. You did such a good job. So we were surprised and happy to see that video, and then we went and checked our mailbox and had this letter from Sara. So let's open it up and see what she's sending us. So on the back it says, "To Kitsune and Maneki from Sara." There's a little heart and it says, "Some fan art for y'all." Alright, let's check out this art. Aw, guys, this is so cute. It says Adventure Sisters Kitsune and Maneki. A cute fall scene. We've got some colored leaves falling down, and we've got Kitsune and Maneki checking out the nature around them. So thank you so much, Sara, for another piece of fan art. We'll put it up on our wall here with the rest of the fan art and other items we've gotten from our fans in our fan mail video series. So if you guys want to send us some fan mail for Kitsune and Maneki, just address it to me in Kitsune, P.O. Box 5132, Dillon, Colorado 80435. Thanks again, Sara. Everybody, don't forget to go check out her video, and until next time, adventure on, cool cats. If you're a cool cat, don't forget to swat that like button, tail whip the subscribe button, and boop the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. High five. You have touch. High five. You didn't touch. There you go. Good baby. Kitsune, come here. Good job. High five. Good baby. Let's do it again. High five. Good girl. You're a good girl. Shake. Good baby. Shake. Kitsune, shake.